Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl Mama. What's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how I prepared this delicious porridge beans with ripe plantain. So stay tuned, guys. So to begin, I will be using brown beans, ripe plantain. You know what, guys, my children love this recipe so much, so I decided to share it with you guys since I don't have something like this in my channel. Okay, next is my crayfish. Yeah, and the next one is my chili pepper. You can also use fresh one. And I have here with my Maggi seasoning. You can use any Maggi seasonings of your choice, and my tomato purees and fresh tomato. Yeah, so actually guys, this tin tomato is a fresh one, before I forget. Yeah, the next one is my palm oil, and here is my mackerel fish from the freezer. So the next step is to select the beans, and the reason is in case if there is any stone, you can be able to see it and remove it. Okay guys. So guys, at this stage I'm done selecting the beans, and these are the things I remove out from the beans. So the next stage is to wash the beans, and I will be washing it twice. So right now I'm done washing it for the first time. I will go ahead and repeat the same process. At this stage, I'm done washing the beans. The next step is to pour in water inside the beans, just like as you are seeing it right now. I will also allow it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. And as that is going on, I will go ahead and cut my mackerel fish. After cutting it, I will wash it and fry it in my air fryer. So continue watching, guys. So guys, I'm done washing the fish. At this stage, I will just go ahead and put it in my air fryer and allow it to fry. Next is to check on the beans. Right now the beans is not boiling, as you can see. So the next step is to remove this water. I'm going to filter it out. So guys, at this stage I will add a clean water and allow it to cook. But before then, I will make sure I add enough water to cover the beans. So the next step is to start by slicing the plantain, and I'm going to be slicing it into tiny pieces. Yes guys. But before I forget, if you're watching me for the first time, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I welcome you on Mama WhatsApp channel. Please let's be friends by smashing that sign that says subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos. I normally upload videos on weekly basis, and to my OG returning subscribers, God bless you.
20 minutes later.
So guys, at this stage our beans is almost done, as you can see. Yeah. So the next step is to add sliced onions inside. After that, I will go ahead and add my sliced plantain. Guys, I ended up changing the pot because the beans was so much. Yeah. So the next stage is to start frying the sauce, which I'm using red oil. Then the next step is to add a little bit of cooking vegetable oil. You can add any vegetable oil of your choice. Next is to add sliced onions and give it a quick sear. At this stage, I will be adding my tomato paste, and you can as well add as much as you want. The next step is to give it a good mix. At this stage, I will allow it to fry for just 2 minutes. Next, I will be going in with my fresh tomatoes and allow it to fry. But as that is going on, I will start by adding my crayfish and my chili pepper. You can also use fresh pepper if you want. Yeah guys, the reason why I don't usually use fresh pepper because the ones we have here are so sharp. Next is to add my curry powder. It's optional, but I love using it because it gives it a special taste. The next step is to give it a quick stir.
A few moments later.
So guys, as the tomato is frying, the next step is to add some crayfish and tomato paste. This part is optional. You can as well skip it, but this is the way I love preparing this recipe. Believe me guys, if you follow this step, you will not go wrong with this recipe. This recipe is so delicious. In fact, it's sugary lekker. Try it and come and thank me later. Okay guys.
A few moments later.
So guys, at this stage I will just go ahead and add in my fried tomatoes. Yes guys. After adding in my fried tomato, I will go ahead and start adding my seasonings, and I'm going in with Maggi seasoning. After that, I will also add salt to taste. Guys, if you are following me, you will know I don't use any other type of Maggi apart from this Maggi. I've been using it for so many years since I came to this Germany, and the taste is awesome. So you can also use any Maggi seasonings of your choice. Yeah, it doesn't matter. I will just go ahead and give it a quick stir and allow it to simmer. At this stage, I will leave it to cook on a low heat. As that is going on, I will be stirring it from time to time so that it doesn't get burnt. Yeah, guys, but before then, I will not allow the water to completely dry off. No. For me, I prefer the beans to be a little watery. That is the beauty of it. Okay, guys. And if you watched this video to this extent, thank you so much. I don't take any one of you for granted. So continue watching, guys.
A few moments later.
So my beautiful people, at this stage my beans is ready and this is how I want it to be, to look like. Okay, thank you so much. As you can see, this beans is looking so yummy. Yeah, I'm gonna be dishing it out now and the fish is ready. So thank you so much for watching. I believe I've come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to share your thoughts, like this video and share your thoughts at the comment section down below. See you guys in my next upcoming videos, because as of now I am out. Ciao. You can as well check out my other videos. I have a lot of interesting videos you may love to watch. Yeah, so see you guys in my next video. Bye.